Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today, we're going to make something that's not only super tasty, but also healthy. Maple cranberry granola. It's perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even a dessert topping. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 4 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup of hazelnuts, half a cup of pepitas, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a cup of coconut oil, half a cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2/3 cup of dried cranberries, and half a cup of coconut flakes. What I love about granola is how easy it is to customize it to your likes. We'll start off by toasting our ingredients. Throw down a couple tablespoons of coconut oil. Add your oats and then cook and stir until starting to get brown and crisp, about 5 minutes. Now throw in the coconut flakes, the hazelnuts, and the pepitas so they can all get nice and toasty together. You want to make sure to stir it frequently so it doesn't burn. Add in the rest of your coconut oil. Add in your dried cranberries and stir it up once more. It's starting to smell amazing. Now remove it from heat. Pour it onto a baking sheet and spread it to cool. In a mixing bowl, pour half a cup of maple syrup. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sea salt and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We'll give this a good stir so everything is combined nicely. Now dump this mixture right back into the pan. We'll let this cook for a couple minutes till it starts to thicken up. Then we're dumping those toasted ingredients right back into the pan. Time to mix it up and make sure everything is well coated. We'll cook it like this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Be careful to not let it burn. Now remove it from heat and it's back on the baking sheet to cool. Wow, look at that, and it smells so good too. Now, time to serve it up. I love to eat my granola with some yogurt and fresh fruit, but it's also great as a snack on its own. You gotta love those fresh blueberries, and we'll throw in some banana to make it extra healthy. And there you have it. It's crunchy, sweet, and packed with flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try and customize it with your favorite ingredients. Thanks for joining me today. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more outdoor cooking adventures. Until next time, happy cooking.
Very good. Really sweet.
Oh, it's crunchy. Really good. Oh my god, it's crunchy.